Attics are often relegated to storage or left empty, but many of us visualize them as cozy private rooms or playful retreats. While these associations are natural, using attics in such a limited way can lead to wasted potential. With some cleaning, lighting improvements, and thoughtful alterations, you can transform them into charming bedrooms for your kids or functional living spaces. Planning such a makeover might present challenges, but don't worry about that for now. Instead, explore these 10 slanted ceiling bedroom makeover ideas. Visit our channel page for more videos like this, and hit the subscribe button to stay updated on future releases. 10. Install a skylight and windows. To create a bright and spacious room, opt for extra windows and skylights instead of relying solely on lamps. Explore various skylight models available on the market or find ideas online. Arrange them thoughtfully to fill your space with natural light, saving on your electricity bill while enjoying the beauty of a night sky. It's a tempting enhancement that makes all the difference. 9. Implement cohesive color. We've always had a love for colors. When combined thoughtfully, they can make a significant impact on any space. This principle holds true for creating a cohesive color scheme. Not only does it create a warm ambiance, but it also visually opens up the room. Incorporating darker walls adds depth, helping to eliminate any confusion between the ceiling and the walls. To elevate your design further, consider adding multicolored accessories for that perfect finishing touch. Just a word of caution. Avoid painting the ceiling and angled walls white while opting for dark colors on the other walls. This combination can disrupt the desired flow. If you want a more comprehensive exploration of this topic, check out my previous video, 10 unique wall painting ideas for small bedrooms. You'll find plenty of inspiration and tips to help you make the most of your space. See you there! 8. Add a reading nook. Remember what I mentioned that an attic can feel like a hidden sanctuary? Absolutely. This tranquil corner is the ideal retreat for immersing oneself in a good book. Imagine crafting a cozy spot for a mini library nestled beside a window, where wooden accents enhance the warm and inviting atmosphere. You can personalize the space with charming decorations. Think vibrant murals, cherished family photos, or captivating artworks. From your reading nook, you'll relish an inspiring view of lush green trees, providing a refreshing backdrop after hours spent lost in literary worlds. What a delightful way to embrace life. 7. Add pattern and texture. A sophisticated cabin scene is within your reach. Previously, I suggested using wood patterns for flooring. Now let's elevate that concept. The room's owner employed wooden textures for over 50% of the space to create a dominant theme. These textures contrast nicely with calming colors and stylish lamps that highlight the wood. To elevate this idea further, unleash your creativity. Use Pinterest to explore outlandish interior themes and concepts. With careful design, research, and thoughtful planning, you can draft a blend of elegance and cutting-edge style in your attic bedroom like no other. 6. Invest in multi-purpose furniture. There's nothing quite like the joy of discovering multifunctional furniture. Instead of cluttering your space with multiple tools, one versatile piece can save both money and room. This concept has been invaluable for maximizing small areas for years. For instance, placing drawers at the foot of your bed keeps the space open, effectively extending your bed and providing extra storage. This means you won't have to leap from the bed to fetch your essentials. It's both convenient and practical. To explore more options, I invite you to check out my video, 10 Multifunctional Beds for Small Spaces. You can find the link in the description below. Dive in and discover creative solutions tailored for maximizing your space. 5. Lighting fixtures to create a unique ambiance. Want to refresh your attic bedroom without a hefty renovation? You don't need a complete overhaul to add flair. Installing lighting fixtures, such as recessed LED lights, can evoke a modern vibe. If farmhouse style is more your taste, consider pendant lights or sconces flanking the bed to achieve the desired aesthetic. 4. Embrace minimalism. When transforming a space, remember that light, delicate furnishings can remarkably enhance even the most slanted ceilings. Choosing pieces with slender legs, innovative shelving solutions, and a low headboard bed contributes to an airy, open atmosphere. The strategically reduced footprint of your furniture plays a pivotal role in making the room feel more expansive. Additionally, don't overlook the potential beneath your bed. Incorporating spacious storage drawers there allows you to keep small items neatly organized and out of sight, further decluttering your room and maintaining that sense of openness. Try out these practical design ideas to create a more open and relaxing space. 3. Add a faux canopy. The area just beneath the ceiling holds endless possibilities for creativity. You can easily bring color and character to your space by draping netting and hanging soft lights across the sloped ceiling, creating a whimsical faux canopy. This charming design can be a dream space for kids, especially young girls. Imagine pairing a vibrant turquoise wall with lush greenery and fluffy white pillows to achieve a cute and cohesive vibe. Don't forget to add personal touches with wall decorations. These little adornments can make the space truly pop and reflect your unique style. 2. DIY Pendant Light. The unique architectural lines of attics may have previously created an eerie atmosphere, but you can effortlessly transform that ambience by introducing a stunning pendant light. This light fixture can not only serve as a focal point, but can also come with a cover that softly diffuses illumination throughout the room. Using netting can further filter any harsh brightness, maintaining a warm glow. Additionally, incorporating light, loose linens will enhance the aesthetic, while wide windows ensure that natural daylight floods the space, creating an inviting atmosphere. Before we wrap up our countdown, remember that every like, share, and comment helps us reach a wider audience. If you've watched this far, you know what to do. If the new voice kept you tuned in, give the video some hype to help it reach new heights. But if that feels like too much, just know you've done great by spending your valuable time here. With that, let's close our countdown with... Lastly, 1. Add some art. After discussing subtle colors, it's time to introduce vibrant shades. Embellish your ceiling with colorful artwork, such as floral wallpaper, which adds a delightful view. This simple touch can have a magical effect. I love wallpaper because it's easy to apply. Just peel off the backing and stick it on. It's removable, requiring no glue or paste that could make a mess. Choose a standout color or pattern for your bedding to complement this transformation. Strategically placing art under the slanted ceiling will seamlessly integrate it into your bedroom design. Consider adding 1 or 2 portable pieces of furniture for extra flair. This allows you to rearrange easily if your preferences change. Oh, and by the way, at the SimFoam channel, you'll discover a range of lists that you won't find anywhere else. For example, we offer insights like 10 small bedroom ideas with big beds, 10 interior design tips to improve your sleep quality, and 10 creative DIY projects to revamp your shoe storage, among many others. Each list is compiled through extensive research and careful writing, with relevant sources included to enhance your learning experience. So, what are you waiting for? If you have some free time and internet access, follow the link in the description to fully explore what SimFoam has to offer. That's it for now. Before you go, please like this video if you enjoyed it. Feel free to comment or share it with your friends on social media or via email. Lastly, we look forward to seeing you again soon with more videos like this. Until then, thanks for watching.